Go Yard.
I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new guap, wear that thing. Bitches on the line, and you know they come strapped. Hold up, what it not, 45, scope and catch. Like, whoa, I ain't fucking with these hoes. I pull up the greatest and now selling all these shows. Doing this till I make it because he knows how it go. Got me yelling the playlist because she